Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the distance unit on the Navionics Boating application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And new, go to the menu option next to the start button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and go to the settings option. Here click to the first option, the units, and you can find the distance option, and here you can select kilometer, nm or me, and just select one and click that, for example the kilometer, and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.